morning.
Morning.
Hello. Headed down to La Papachea right now, and we're gonna do another coastal cleanup. Morning everyone, we're here now in La Papachea and I'm shooting on the GoPro Max. This video brought to you by GoPro Philippines. Right now Power Mac is feeding everyone. This is the first for us to have catering breakfast. After this we're going to do a short briefing and then do the coastal cleanup. I flew my drone to see the mangrove areas over here so that we can show our marine biologists.
Hello!
Good morning!
Good morning!
How are you feeling today?
Actually, really grateful and inspired. It's a special day, and of course, extra special because you're here. Yeah. With more friends again!
Yay.
Thank you.
Awesome! This is the most glamorous coastal cleanup we've ever had.
We were telling them if it's your first time, this is not how our cleanups usually are. It's very just, you know, volunteers coming together.
My friends are like, why are we here again? Just listen to music, eat some food.
This is why partnerships are amazing, because when people believe, I guess, in the same one common united goal, then you can bring in different elements and then you can come together and magic happens like this. We never thought, and we're so grateful.
Okay, I think you're up.
Oh, okay, Nina. Yay!
And every single day, you have the power to make a difference. Whether it's reducing single-use plastics or eliminating it from your life, reducing your energy consumption, saving water, choosing a plant-based diet, choosing to walk more, or take public transportation or carpool. All these little things collectively will change the world. You being here today is powerful. You are our heroes. Whenever they thank us, we say nothing will be done unless you are here. So once again, this represents us collectively taking action and making a difference. So thank you to all our volunteers. Also, thank you once again for being in our United Nations. And most especially, thank you to our partners, Borgy and Power Max. Thank you to my dear friend Yao for hosting and collectively taking action.
While they're doing the quick briefing, I am walking through the mangroves to look at the damage here. And even though they have built a fence already, the plastic still comes in. I see some mourning seagulls, different bird species today. Water is high tide, that's why you see it all the way up here. And it's just gross, there's plastic everywhere. I don't know if I can get out there so I can connect to see the bird species over there. So over here in the mangrove side, it's very soft. Okay. Looks fairly deep. I actually want to get a kayak or a paddle boat just to go out this way and see this side. I was trying to fly my drone, but they blocked me from entering this zone here. So the only way to get footage is to actually bring a kayak in. Hopefully we can get our friends down from Colombia to send us a kayak so that we can go exploring and clean the mangrove side. These are the sides that are not really clean because you sink in the mud, and when it is low tide it gets really mushy. But you know, as far as the eye can see, I can see garbage. I can see garbage everywhere. today will be more of video capturing everything. I will be picking up a few pieces of garbage also, but I just want to show again the gravity of the issue, how crazy the problem is. I'm lucky that some of my friends came over to help. I'm just gonna make this leap. Alright everyone, we left the program because it's taking too long. We're now headed to the coastal to start doing the cleanup. I can't stay so long today because I have another appointment at 10. I have my good friend over here, Mr. Borgy Manotoc.
Ready to go.
With Carla. We're walking now with Joey and Kat, and we're gonna show them the beach. It's pretty high tide, pretty much high tide today. So not a lot of garbage, but there still is trash everywhere. I mean, it never stops. As I keep telling you guys, it's always here. It always comes back in the afternoon, even though we start cleaning up now in the morning. It'll still be here later on. So I took the GoPro Max into one of the mangrove areas. Maybe I'll do it again over here, just to show our marine biologists what kind of mangroves we have here in the Papachea, and showing what diversity we have still here. And here we are back on the beach. High tide, so it doesn't look so bad.
Super high.
I brought a seat.
Oh, that's smart.
Love your hair
Oh, the whole big bag of juice.
Found some bone fragments. No idea what this is. Do you know what animal this is?
I no longer work with specimen puppy.
Perhaps a dog
You think it's
or
a
a
dog?
cat.
We have two of them.
Yeah,
She totally understands. She's like, they're trying so hard to find ways.
a puppy. Usually they're just throwing their puppies here when it's dead.
That's not good.
They're not burying it anymore. They just throw it here.
Save the bones. You can see people all the way down there.
Form pa nga eh.
May coliform pa dito. Ah!
What's polyform?
Shit.
So that's
When you test water, when you go for potability, you look for COC, BOC, and then heavy metal toxicity. That has coliforms, which means it's bad bacteria. Only garbage, only here in La Papachea. You know, it may not look much on video, but there's tons of little itty bitty plastics. Not yet micro, but smaller fragmented plastics. That's what we're spending our time collecting.
Parang ang team pa natin.
This is a Lego piece. It's like part of a Lego piece. Looking at it, like you'll see that food related, liquid gasket. Okay, maybe automotive related.
There you go.
This is fabric. Do you know that fabric is also plastic?
Polyester.
Nylon, rayon, polyester, all plastic.
The product. It's still semi-synthetic.
That's an apple cover,
Oh wow.
right?
Yeah, or a pear.
Or pear. So what do you think of your first cleanup?
I think we need to spend the day here. Yeah.
The catering should be here.
Yeah, we just eat.
I know, we should be like listening, eating.
Yes, exactly. That
Bring
would
a
be good.
DJ.
Yep. Balance out the whole experience. I like the idea of bringing a kayak out here.
I actually want a kayak on this side. So this
Right?
is the mangrove side.
And then just take like a screen, like
Yes.
sift it all through.
Exactly.
Right.
Or yeah, just dump it in the kayak.
Or even like pool of nets. You have like two
Kayaks
together.
You probably stop moving in like 1 meter.
Yeah. Just like
So we were actually thinking that of asking the dragon boaters to come,
oh, interesting.
but putting a net on their dragon
and then
boat
just they pull
and then
all the
asking them
garbage.
to race. and finding out like how much they slow down from the garbage that they pick up. Okay, had to cut short because I have a 10 a.m. but made a small dent today, and lots of volunteers. Everyone's super happy. Weather has cooperated with us. I'm filthy again, so we gotta change real quick.